Whirlpool washer code F21 step-by-step troubleshooting. The Whirlpool washer code F21 signals a draining problem. This error stops your washing cycle. You need to fix the issue to continue using the washer. Follow these simple steps to solve the problem safely and quickly. Check and clear drain hose. Start by locating the drain hose. It usually connects the washer to the drain pipe. Look for any kinks or bends that block water flow. Remove the hose and check inside for clogs. Clear any debris or dirt found. Reattach the hose firmly to avoid leaks. Inspect and clean pump filter. Next, find the pump filter at the washer's front bottom. Open the filter cover carefully. Place a towel to catch water spills. Remove any lint, coins, or objects inside. Clean the filter under running water. Put it back and close the cover securely. Test the water pump. Listen for the water pump during a drain cycle. The pump should make a humming or spinning sound. If silent, the pump might be faulty. Use a multimeter to check electrical continuity. Replace the pump if it shows no connection or damage. Finally, reset the washer to clear error codes. Unplug the machine from the power outlet. Wait for 1 minute before plugging it back. Turn the washer on and start a new cycle. Check if the F21 code disappears and the washer drains properly.